I actually started thriving because a friend put up a post that said, "Who am I annoying with my Thrive posts?" And so I was like, yeah, me. I didn't go looking for anything. I didn't know I was missing anything. I did know that I kind of missed the person that I was prior to babies and working construction and kind of felt run down. I took it, but I wasn't the best sampler at all. I may not have taken things with the correct timing all of the time. And then day 6, that's the day that I sent her that text message that said, "I don't feel like this day is going to run me today. I feel like I'm going to run the day." I hadn't known that I had lost this big chunk of my motivation and my ambition and just this feeling like I could conquer things. If somebody asked you if you wanted to trade 2 years of your life, to feel miserable, like you would never pick that on purpose. So stop picking it every day, because every day you wake up, you're wasting time. And we don't have enough of it.